This is question 13 from exercise 19.3 in Project Maths 1. We have to factorize the following expression: px minus qy minus qx plus py. Now we're going to be using factorizing by grouping in order to factorize this, but as it stands right now, we can't use the groupings that they're put in because px and qy don't have a common factor and qx and py don't have a common factor. So we're going to have to rearrange this sum in order to pair up terms with common factors. And the ones that I can spot right off would be, we can group the p's together and the q's together. So we'll start off by writing out px, and then we're going to move our plus py to bring it closer to it, so plus py. And then next to that we're going to have our minus qx, and then minus qy. Now you want to take note on this that we didn't leave the minuses in their position in the sum. They got moved with the term that they were attached to. So this minus qy got moved down to the end, still minus qy. The qy didn't just go in place and the plus stays as it is. So the minus sticks with the term that it's in front of. Now from here, we're just going to try and factorize these out. So the highest common factor between px and py is p, so it's going to have p times, and we're going to have x plus y, like that. Now, for our next one, we could take out q as a common factor here, but if we took out a positive q, we'd end up with minus x minus y, but we want to get to a point where the brackets match. So our common factor from these next two terms is actually going to be minus q, which means inside our brackets we're going to have x plus y, because minus q times x would give us back our minus qx, and minus q times y would give us back our minus qy. But once we're at this point, we have the same thing in our brackets of x plus y, so we can write them out. So we have x plus y, and then in the next bracket we're going to put what is outside the brackets from above, so p minus q, and that is that.